Hi everyone, it's Dave. I'm back at Outdoor Home. Last time you saw me, we had just finished putting our turkey on the big green egg. While that's roasting, I want to share with you one of my favorite Thanksgiving Day side dishes and one of my favorite Turkey Day desserts. First, we're going to talk about one of my favorite Thanksgiving Day side dishes, Bourbon Glazed Sweet Potatoes. Now, it really is this simple. 4 ingredients. We're starting with sweet potatoes peeled and cut into 1-inch cubes. Drop those right into our baking dish. We're going to add our brown sugar, our melted butter, bourbon. We're going to give that a stir. And once all of our ingredients are incorporated, we are going to set that on our big green egg and bake at 350 degrees for about 1 hour. Next up is one of my favorite Thanksgiving Day desserts. It's one of the only pies I've ever made in my life, and now we're doing it every year for Thanksgiving. And the best part about this recipe, it'll make 2 pies. So I start with my egg at 350 degrees. I personally use pre-made pie crust, poke holes in them, bake for about 10 minutes until they start to dry out. Next, I take a package of cream cheese that is softened. And I'm going to blend that until it's nice and creamy. Once that process is complete, I'm going to add 2 cans of pumpkin. And I'm going to mix until these are combined. Once those are blended, we're going to add sugar and salt and blend that up until they're combined. Almost done. Up next, we've got 1 egg plus the yolk from 2 additional eggs. We'll also add half and half. And melted butter. So easy, you can do it with your left hand. We're going to mix that until combined. Finally, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Once all the ingredients are incorporated, we're ready to pour this into our pre-cooked pie shells that are still warm. And if one pie gets a little more than the other, no stress about that. Bake your pie for 50 to 60 minutes or until the center is set. I personally prefer to bake mine a day in advance so I can place my pie in the refrigerator overnight to help it set up even better. If you'd like complete details on these recipes, you can find them at outdoorhome.com. Be on the lookout for our next video where we show you the finished product as well as how to carve that Thanksgiving turkey. And in the meantime, head on out to Outdoor Home, just off South Campbell on Tracker Road for all your Thanksgiving Day needs. Outdoor Home, where outdoor living is always in.